Well, welcome to our second project, a digital book chapter. And this one is going to be a fun chapter for you to do. And really, what we're going to do is explore the correct way to structure content in an HTML document. And what we want to make sure is things in the HTML document have a whole bunch of benefits, such as accessibility, quick to load in a browser, reduced bandwidth, get search ending rankings, and they're really actually easy to style. So we'll be learning about those as well. So here we have a container project over here, an empty tag and an attributes. Remember that there's an element name that identifies the tag. The tag itself consists of the elements surrounded by angle brackets, and you can see you have a title, one over here. Then you have other ones that do not have a closing tag, such as the BR tag, which is the same as hitting Shift Enter in Microsoft Word. It just goes to the next line. Then you also have the actual container tags, which remember have to have both an opening and a closing tag as well. I think we skipped a page, and we're going to create one over here. So when you choose File and New, you create a number of new file types. Then you're going to learn about DDT. You're going to learn about the HTML tag. You're going to learn about the title tag, the body tag. Now, the HTML tag is very, very important, as is the body tag. The title tag gets created for you automatically with an untitled document, and the head tag also has information in there for the browser. So then we have paragraph and line breaks that you can see. We're going to use a P tag for a paragraph and a BR tag for a line break that does not start a new paragraph. You'll learn about that as well. Then we have headings, which are very, very important, that you want to use as structured headings rather than the style paragraphs, and that's for screen reading software and search engine optimization. So you're going to have special tags H1, H2, and H3 all the way up to H6, and you're going to learn about those as you go along. Remember one thing, heading 1 is very, very important, and it is the largest. It's also what's used by search engines to find a specific page. We have block quotes and citations over here. So basically, a block quote is just something that formats a quotation as a block of text. It's indented on the left and the right margins, and it gives a little bit of extra space above and below. Then you have the quick tag editor over there, which is really useful as well. So you can use it to cite text, you can use it to type in code in a quick tag editor, and more things than you can even think about. So again, you'll learn that as well. Remember, you have the wrap text option as well. So you'll be learning about that when you're creating and selecting text. Code hints are really very useful because as you're typing, it will give you hints and it'll make your life a lot easier. You won't have to make as many mistakes by trying to guess what's going on. So make sure that you have enable code hints option checked in the preferences. Then you have your inline quotes, such as the Q element, which is used for marking quotations that are part of a sentence or a paragraph rather than a separate paragraph. Of course, so we have abbreviations, which are shortened forms of words and phrases, such as the ANSI 0169. Then you have strong and M. They are replacing the bold and italic. In the beginning, you're going to be using them. However, as you start using CSS, we'll be using those to solve all your elements through the CSS tags. You have special characters as well. You're going to put in a hexadecimal number so the browser will know that is a special character. Tables are really not something that you should use without thinking. Really, if you're going to use tabulated data, that's the way to go. However, to format it, you should be using CSS as well. Ordered lists, just like you would have in Microsoft Word with numbers, and bulleted lists or OL, rather bulleted lists are UL. So here we have an introduction to CSS, and you can see some of the elements that are there. And that's it for this project, and hope you enjoy doing it.